Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Enscape tutorials how to add lights. To add lights, you can go to Enscape menu, click extension and click Enscape. The next, click Enscape object. So it will automatically appear for Enscape object dialog box. As example, I will add for sphere light. You can click at this icon and I will click at this point. Now you can move to the top like this. Okay, you can see in Enscape mode you can change for daylight. So I will move into dark like this, so it will be automatically add for the lights in Enscape. Now you also can set for luminous intensity. I will move into this point, we reduce, okay, like this. And you can also set for light source radius. This is for radius and this is for the intensity. More like this. Okay, that's it. How to add light in Enscape. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.